Hey gang, this is Mr. Durbin. Wanted to do a short video for you about how to quickly identify note names of a keyboard. So I've clicked the link in the assignment and I'm going to click Start Challenge. So a couple quick things before we address the actual question, which is what note name is in red there. You can always tell, the first thing you need to know about a piano is where C is. Okay, where is C? And there are multiple C's on a piano. You can always find C by locating the grouping of two black notes. Find the two black notes, and then C will be to the immediate left of the left black note. Now you say, well, there's all kinds of black notes up there. Well, black notes are arranged in a piano in groups of 2, and then 3, and then 2, and then 3, and so on and so forth. So find any grouping of two black notes, and when you go immediately to the left, that will be C. Okay, so then it just becomes a matter of going, well, that's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And then it starts all over again. So here, I found my two black notes. I'm going to go to the left. That gets me a C. And then the next note over, following the alphabet musically, would be a D. So C, so I found my two black notes, C, D, E, F. Find my two black notes. C is here, D, E. I'm not going to do 20 of these, but you get the gist, and these notes repeat all throughout the keyboard. Okay? I'll do one more. Actually, that's a C. And then you got the two black notes, and there's C. And then you go D, E, F, G, and A. Now eventually you'll just have these memorized and you won't have to always find those two black notes and then C and then count. Okay? So if you've got any questions, please let me know.